believe the things they make those kids do.
I know, all around the world there are kids working in awful places like these. Long, long hours in unhealthy and dangerous conditions.
So why don't they just quit?
So why don't you just get out of those chains?
Ah.
It's not like they want to work, they're forced to. Usually their families are too poor to afford everything their kids need.
You mean clothes, school?
Or even food or a safe home. A lot of kids end up on the street because they have nowhere else to go.
So they have to work like this just to survive?
Pretty much. That's why it's like being in chains. Because their families are so poor, they're locked in place. And some are even abandoned or orphaned.
So there's no one to rescue them?
Your world ruled by users, but money grabbing losers. Power, cause they're child abusers. A family owes them money, the payment's overdue. They think value tumbles, and what they take is you. Needed to break free, but someone else holds the key.
Been here a long time, Petra.
Probably. I can't see my watch.
Bet it's been hours, days even. Didn't it get dark before?
We haven't even been here 5 minutes.
Oh, this sucks. Imagine what it feels like for those kids out there.
So what should we do about it?
Well, remember when we did the World Vision 40-hour famine last year?
Of course I do. It was a blast. And we got to help thousands of kids all over the world.
Well, it was the biggest famine ever. It raised over $2.5 million.
Wow.
And this year, the money raised here in New Zealand is going to bring freedom for thousands who are trapped by chains of hunger, poverty and exploitation.
It will provide food, water, education, shelter and medicine for kids all over the world. It will help run centres for abandoned children and it will provide counselling and education for victims of child labour.
We can make this year's famine even bigger than last year's.
You're right. And all you have to do is see your famine organiser, grab yourself a famine pack, get a whole bunch of sponsors and join in the famine.
Yep, and together we can help save the lives of thousands of kids all over the world. Get a heap of sponsors, do the famine, become a lifesaver.
So have you got your famine pack?
Yeah, I have somewhere. It's under...
If we do the famine, we become lifesavers. What could be better than that?
Getting out of some of these chains might be nice.